Okay, you are welcome to today's video. This is WINFX Trading YouTube channel, and we are talking about how to rise fast $5 FX account to $500 plus per day. Trading boom and crash. MA Spring Strategy 2021. If you are new to this channel, make sure you do your best to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. We need your like and we need your comment. We need your share so that YouTube will push this video to a high audience, and by so doing you have supported us, and we will be able to do more quality content that will actually give you financial freedom. You are not buying us any coffee, you are not paying us any dime in order to have access to our YouTube channel. All you need to do is to subscribe, share, recommend us, try to like and comment. Okay, let's go into the main thing we have today. I'm taking you to the business area, which is the MT5. This is MT5. So this is cash 1000. Okay, this is how it is going to be. Let me explain everything. I don't want to waste time. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, you see, you wait for Ishimoku. Later I will explain how to set up the indicator. It's free. It's not something you will buy. It's free, so you have to be very happy. You have to thank me, you have to like this video, you have to comment because it's free. So you wait for the Ishimoku to touch level 10 or come closer to level 10 or come between level 10 and 20. But the most profitable is when it comes to the level 10 or when it is between level 10 and level 20. But at level 20 is not all that profitable because a spike might happen at that level. So look at what I mean. The zone level should be this zone level, the last zone level. Okay, then try to move the chart towards the screen, towards the left. You see, as you move this chart towards the left, you will get the rare behavior of Ishimoku with respect to those levels. You see, it has touched level 10. So this is the most profitable level to buy the asset, like to buy direction in cash 1000 or 500. So you have to buy here, but you can still buy here because it's between level 10 and 20. Okay, let me show you with an object. Okay, you can still buy here. This point you can buy here because it's between this level and this, and what this level is between. This level is between level 20 and level 10 as I've drawn it here. So that is by the way. So you can see the market bought from here to here. Are you seeing it? Okay, that is the authenticity of this approach. The market actually bought from here to that level. Okay, so let's talk about the number. This is for scalpers. If you have $5 account, see what you are going to do. Please pay attention. I'm going to rush this video so fast. Okay, if you're a scalper, see what you are going to do. Okay, once you discover that the Ishimoku has touched level 10, then you wait for the price. See this price, the price here. Wait for the price action to come above all these moving averages. There are about 6 moving averages there. Wait for the price to come above, like the price. If I use a coordinate, you wait for the price to come above. This is where the price come above. Then you buy. If you have 10 candles, if you catch 10 candles and no spike happen, then keep holding. If you catch 15 candles and no spike happen, keep holding. If you catch 20 spike and no if you catch 20 candles and no spike happen, then what you need to do is to close and wait for spike to happen. Then if that spike is below, like is above the moving average, I'm sorry, it's not below. If the spike is still above the moving average, or it cut below the moving average, but it's not too much, and later start going above the moving average, what you need to do is to buy again. Okay, is to buy the asset at that point. But as a scalper and for somebody that have a small account, don't do that, please. If you have a large account, then go ahead. If you have $5, what you need to do is to enter at this low region. Then if you can catch, once you get 15 to 20 candles, what do? You close and wait for another opportunity. Like you see, you entered here and spike happened here. Okay, since you enter here and this spike happened, you see this spike catch you, like go below your entry point, and you'll be having some losses at this level. So as somebody that have $5 account, please start by catching 5 candles. When you catch 5 candles, that is, you stay 5 minutes, you wait for another opportunity. You can use the highest lot size, please. You can use the highest lot size your $5 account can hold and catch 5. As your account is growing, you can increase the number of candles cut to 10 to 15 or 10 to 20. Okay, so that is it. Let's go to bull market. Whatever I say in crash 1000 happens in crash 500. So let's go to boom and see how you can be able to how you can be able to sell, because we are talking about direction trading. We are not talking about spike. I will do a special video about the spike trading soon. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel so that you'll be able to watch that. So let's wait. Okay, you see that's low. So what you need to do is to wait for the stochastic oscillator. I'm sorry, Ishimoku, which is here. This Ishimoku have to at least touch level 90 or come between level 90 and 80. At times you need to at least draw this thing closer, like carry the chart and go towards the screen so that you get a reaction. So now you look to the price action, that is the main chart. Wait for the price to come below all this moving average. So if the price is here now, you enter here. 5 candles stick, you close. Unless you have large account, you can wait, like you can hold this market until the Ishimoku touches level 10 or come between level 10 and 20. Then you know that it is preparing to buy, you close. If you have something like $200 or $100 to $200 accounts. Okay, so now for crash, I didn't say that. For crash, let's open crash again so that like you needed to know when to exit. Okay, let's open crash again. So a crash, let's say crash 1000. I just skipped that. So in crash 1000, take for instance you enter this trade here. Because of this reaction, you here, that means you bought from here, you bought from this level, from here, and then you have enough capital. Let's say you have large capital up to $200. So what do? You have to wait for this Ishimoku, see this Ishimoku, to reach level 80 or 90 before you close. Okay, now for small account holder like $5, you have to close when you have got 5 candlesticks. So you don't need to follow this route, please. Now I think we need to go to the indicator setup because of time. So let's go to the indicator setup. So you click on F. Okay, now main chart, we have moving average up to 6, and indicator window 1, we have 2 indicators there, stochastic oscillator and Ishimoku Kinko Hio. Now in the main chart, what do? You need moving average. If you go to trend, under trend, you will see moving average. This is it. Now you will have to click on moving average. Set the period to 15. The shift should be 0. Method should be linear weight. Apply it to open. The styles should be trapezoid. Use any color of your choice, but it's red here. You click on down. I've already done that. Then the next moving average will be period 14. Shift 0. Method linear weight. Apply to open. Then green and trapezoid. Then you go back, click, select another moving average. Remember, you have to be clicking this plus and be clicking on the moving average. I have already done that. That's why I'm selecting to show you the values. This one is 15 linear weight close. The color is black and trapezoid. Now the next one, the fourth one, is 17 0 linear weight close. Apply to close. The star is trapezoid and yellow. Now the next, which is the fifth one, is 19. Shift is 0 linear weight. Method is linear weight and apply to close. Star is trapezoid and crown. Now there is no level in all of the displays. The period is 21 for this. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to close. Style is orange trapezoid. Then in the indicator window 1, you have to click plus. Then you go to the main chart and click F plus. Then the indicator window 1 will be created by this stochastic oscillator, which is under the oscillators, and then you will see something like this. The period, K period is 5, D period is 3. I say D period, please, is 3, and slowing is 3. Price feed is low, high, and method is simple. Men and signal is white and white. That is the color of your background, and the style should be 2. The size of the pixel should be 2, or the men should be 2, and the signal should be 3. Then the levels should be level 90 sell, level 80 sell between. That is between level 80 and 90 you should sell, for boom. I didn't write it. All this sell, we are not trading spike yet, please. I didn't do a video for spike trading. Spike, you don't know when it will happen, so it's a probabilistic event. What I'm doing is direction. So if you really need a video on spike, comment in the comment section. I'm going to do that video soon, so that there are some conditions. This one is crash. When we say direction, we are just trading the slow part of the market. But when we say spike, we are trading the dropping part of the market. I don't know how to put it. The price momentum part, like where the price drop or changes with speed, with high momentum. Okay, so you buy. So this one, oh my God, I put crash, buy crash. It can be crash 1,000, can be crash 500. Then when you say boom, it can be boom 1,000 or boom 500. So that is game. You click on that. I think if you have any question about this indicator.